Have you noticed something weird? You open your laptop to study, and somehow 20 minutes later, you're scrolling TikTok, watching random videos, checking messages, opening 17 tabs you don't even need. And suddenly, your brain feels tired before you even started working. Why? Why is focusing so hard now? Why can't we sit still anymore? Why does studying for 10 minutes feel painful, but scrolling for 3 hours feels easy? The truth is, your focus is under attack, and most people don't even realize it. Today, we're going to talk about why you can't focus anymore, why your brain feels constantly distracted, and most importantly, how to fix your attention span before it gets worse. Because focus is becoming rare, and in a distracted world, the ability to focus deeply is becoming a superpower. Your brain was never designed for modern life. Think about it. Every day you consume short videos, notifications, music, messages, memes, reels, endless scrolling. Your brain is constantly receiving stimulation, fast stimulation, cheap dopamine. And over time, your brain becomes addicted to speed. That's why. Studying feels boring, reading feels hard, long videos feel slow, and silence feels uncomfortable. Your brain now expects constant entertainment. This is called dopamine overload, and it's destroying your attention span. Have you ever opened your phone for 2 minutes and lost 1 hour? Yeah, that's not lack of discipline. That's engineered distraction. Apps are literally designed to keep you addicted because your attention is profitable. Most people think multitasking makes them productive, but science says the opposite. Every time you switch tasks, your brain loses energy, loses momentum, and loses focus. So when you study while checking notifications, watch YouTube while doing homework, reply to messages. During work, your brain never enters deep concentration. You stay in shallow focus all day, busy but not productive. You know what's crazy? Some students study for 8 hours, but because they're distracted every 3 minutes, they only get 1 to 2 hours of real learning done. Look around your room. Your environment affects your focus more than motivation does. Messy desk, messy mind, phone beside you. Your brain stays alert, waiting for notifications. Open tabs everywhere? Mental overload. Most people are trying to focus inside environments designed for distraction. Imagine trying to diet while holding cake in your hand all day. That's basically what you're doing with your phone. Okay, so how do we fix this? First, reduce constant stimulation. Stop consuming short content all day. Your brain needs boredom sometimes, because boredom resets focus. Second, practice deep work. Deep work means working with full focus without distractions for a short period of time. No phone, no social media, no multitasking. Just one task, one goal, one focus. Your focus is like a muscle. If you constantly distract yourself, it becomes weak. But if you practice concentration daily, it becomes stronger. Start small, 20 minutes focused, then 40, then 60. Train your brain slowly. Want better focus instantly? Change your environment. Clean your desk. Put your phone away. Use full screen mode. Turn off notifications. Study in silence. Make focus easier. Here's the truth. Most people are distracted all the time now, which means if you can focus deeply, you automatically become different. You learn faster. You work better. You become more creative. And you gain an advantage most people don't have anymore. In a world where everyone is distracted, focus becomes power. Your future is not controlled by talent alone. It's controlled by what you pay attention to every single day. Because your attention shapes your habits. Your habits shape your life. And if you keep giving your attention to distractions, you'll slowly lose control of your time, your goals, and yourself. But if you learn to protect your focus, everything changes. So stop training your brain to be distracted. Start training it to focus. Because focus is no longer normal, it's a competitive advantage. Subscribe to Fynqora for more videos about productivity, focus, deep work, study hacks, discipline, and self-improvement. And start building your focus one step at a time.